So I was writing this email for a client, and this one thought that came into my mind that I thought of why not sharing it, right? And I got asked this question a lot on X. So the question is how to learn copywriting faster. And the answer is by analyzing people. Now, this video is mainly for those who are into email copywriting or who are into ghostwriting, because that is what my expertise is, right? So I would recommend, if you are like someone who's like into email copywriting or who want to be a ghostwriter, watch this video, as this video is probably not for you, but you can still watch, right? So the thing is, you can learn copywriting faster just by analyzing people. What I do is, right now as an email copywriter, what I do is I have like subscribe 7 or 8 creators whom I really like. Right after this, like right after I subscribe to their email, what I do, I analyze their emails, I analyze their strategy, I analyze their welcome flow, I analyze how they write, I analyze their hooks, right? I analyze the posts that made me buy their stuff. Just by doing this, I know if I have to write an email for a client who are in a similar niche, or if I'm writing something for me, I know how to write a content. I know how to write a email, right? So that is how, like, basically you learn your craft just by analyzing people. Definitely there are a lot of books that can help you become a good copywriter, but this seems like the most practical to me and the easiest for me to learn the craft that I'm practicing, or get better at the craft that I'm practicing. So if you are someone who is not into books, see, because I am not a fan of books, so this is what, like, the most practical stuff to learn my craft. So if you're also same like me, then I guess this tip will help you also, right? Now, if you're even not an email copywriter, let's say you are a social media ghostwriter, right? Even in that case, you can follow some people on a particular platform. It can be LinkedIn, it can be X, or any platform, right? Go there, follow some big ghostwriters or social media copywriters, see how they're posting, analyze their posting schedule, how they're writing it, which type of posts that are performing, analyze that, apply it on your content, on your client's content, learn from it, and then with time, what will happen? You will develop your own style. It goes the same with email copywriting, right? So use this hack. I am pretty sure this one will be like super useful to you, and this is, in my opinion, is the fastest way to learn copywriting. It can be emails or it can be social media, it doesn't matter. Even for in general copywriters, this will be, I guess, super useful. So do give it a go. And now, if you are a newbie copywriter, I guess you are, because you are watching my channel and my content is targeted for them. So if you're a new copywriter, I would highly recommend you to join my newsletter that I have linked in the description below. So join from there. Still my tips that I give on a weekly basis, still my welcome flow, still my strategy, still my writing style, still my hooks, right? Apply them, get clients, get better as a copywriter, right? And yeah, do it, like, right now. Go and subscribe. It will be, I'm pretty sure it will be super useful to you. And talking about this video, if this video was like useful to you, I would really appreciate if you like share this video with a friend of yours, right? And I will also appreciate if you subscribe, because trust me, I will come up with content like this type of quality content for you, not like wasting your time, right? So do subscribe, and I guess that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.